Good morning and thanks for watching 23 ABC. I'm Brenna Rose. As the Omicron variant spreads across the country, California is now the first state to record more than 5 million confirmed cases of COVID-19. The Associated Press reporting those updated numbers after a delay because of the holiday weekend. Taking a look at other large states on Sunday, Texas had more than 4.4 million cases and Florida had nearly 4 million. California's indoor mask mandate, regardless of vaccination status, is currently set to expire on January 15th. The CDC faces new questions about its guidelines for those who are asymptomatic or who have been exposed to COVID-19. ABC's Ines de Cuetara has more from Washington.
In state after state, this is the scene at testing sites.
I was looking for a test about a week ago. I have symptoms, so I just wanted to make sure before I could go back to work. That's all. Make sure I'm okay to head back to work. 5
states currently reporting more new COVID cases than at any other point in the pandemic. Cases in Florida, Georgia, and Washington, D.C. tripling in the past week. Experts now forecasting we'll have lost 863,000 American lives to the virus by January 22nd, with the U.S. now averaging more than 240,000 cases a day. This as the CDC shortens the isolation period for asymptomatic Americans infected with COVID-19, cutting the isolation period in half from 10 days to 5 days, followed by strict mask wearing for another 5 days. But the CDC not recommending people first test negative before coming out of isolation. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky defending the decision on GMA.
And we do know that the vast majority of viral transmission happens in those first 5 days, somewhere in the 85 to 90% range. So we're really talking, if you can isolate for those first 5 days, that would be great.
And new concerns over how the new variant may be affecting children. Daily pediatric hospital admissions doubling over the last month. In New York City, public schools will still open January 3rd with new testing policies to keep more kids in the classroom.
We've come up with a new approach, and those at-home tests are going to be absolutely crucial.
Today, the White House detailing how it plans to help hospitals handle the surge, sending personnel and supplies. Ines de Cuetara, ABC News, Washington.